In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple charts and all indicators for free on TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or you've been at it for a while, one of the most powerful tools you can have in your arsenal is the ability to view and analyze multiple charts and indicators at once. This can give you a broader perspective on market trends, helping you make more informed decisions. Let's get started. First, you'll need to install the TradingView tab Chrome extension. This extension is essential for our process today, as it allows us to transform our single TradingView chart into a multiple chart layout. To do this, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for TradingView tab, and add it to your browser. Once you've installed the extension, head over to your TradingView chart. When you have your chart open, right-click on it. This action will unveil a context menu where you can access the TradingView tab extension. Here you have the option to convert your single chart into a multiple chart display, which is incredibly useful for monitoring various assets or time frames simultaneously. In the TradingView tab extension, look for the option labeled New Layout. Click on it, then select 4 tabs vertical grid. This configuration is particularly effective for those wanting to keep track of different markets or time frames side by side. You'll see your screen split into 4 vertical sections, each operating as an independent chart. This setup allows you to customize each panel with the specific indicators and market assets you're interested in tracking. As a tip, make sure you understand which indicators will be most beneficial for your trading strategy. TradingView offers a plethora of options, from simple moving averages to complex oscillators. Experiment with these until you find the ones that provide the insights most useful for your trading style. Another handy trick is to save this multi-chart setup as a template within the extension. This way, you won't have to recreate your layout every time you open TradingView. Just navigate to the extension settings and look for an option to save your current setup. This will ensure that your preferred layout is just a click away whenever you need it. Now that you have your multiple charts set up, take some time to get used to navigating between them. You can hover over a particular panel to bring it into focus, allowing you to apply or switch indicators specifically for that chart. This adaptability allows you to remain agile in your analysis, quickly adapting to market changes. With your multi-chart and all indicators set up, you're now in a prime position to dive deeper into your trading analysis, leveraging the visual power and flexibility this tool provides. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to get comfortable with this setup. Enjoy exploring TradingView with your newfound capabilities, and happy trading.